Plaud sent me their Notepin bundle recorder, and this thing is AI powered, and it is a super sleek device. I can't wait to show it to you. All right, so this is the box that it comes with, and we all know Plaud. I mean, I do because I've used the Plaud Note before, and this is what the Plaud Note was and is, right? Super thin, as honestly, it looks like a credit card, obviously. And this Plaud Note actually will magnetize to your phone, can record conversation, can record meeting, can do all of that stuff. And then with the Plaud app on your phone, can basically transcribe everything through AI. Super cool, very, very nifty. Now, let's look at the second generation, and this is called the Plaud Notepin. So these two boxes come inside of this one package. So the bundle comes with these two things. Now, what are they? Let's look at them. Now, what are they? Let's look at them really up close and personal. Let's check this out. So you've got the Notepin itself, and then you've got the accessory kit. So what is the Notepin? Check this out. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is what it is right here. This is it, guys. Now, you've got a little magnet here. As you can see, that's a magnet, but the whole device is right here. This is your recorder. This is the brains of the operation right here. So let me just put that back in. Look at that. I mean, it is super sleek, very, very cool. So, and I love the fact that even the box has a magnet to kind of like magnetize and show you that that's what it is. Look at that. It's super cool. Okay, so we've taken this out. Now we're going to look at the accessories that it comes with because these are really cool. Now, the first one, of course, is the charger, and I want to talk to you about the charger because that's important. The charger is right here. No, that's not the charger. Give me 1 second. Because this is the pin. So there are two ways, actually a few ways that you can actually attach this. You could have this like that. I could have it like that, pinned up, and I can clip this on anything, right? As you can see, I can clip this on a lapel of a shirt, on a tie, on anything whatsoever. Now, the other thing that you can do with this is, of course, with the actual magnet, I could actually go like this, just like a wireless mic. There you go, just like that. And look, now this will record not only my voice, but the voices of people around me that maybe are having a meeting with me, and I want to transcribe everything and not forget a thing. That's awesome. So one thing, this is my first way of doing it. Second way of doing this, I can clip it just like that. Boom, clipped and ready to go. Very, very easy. Clip it on a backpack, clip it anywhere you want, really. Right now it's actually recording, and I'll show you how I did that in just a second. And then the second way that you can do this, check this out. They actually give you this really cool bracelet and I'm going to put this back and check this out. I'm going to fit it and look at that. So you attach it however you want, and then the rest, and I'm going to make sure that you guys can see this. Look at this. This here magnetizes. So I'm magnetized. I can start recording by a touch of that device right there, and it's on my wrist. It's super simple for me to record anything that I want on the go, and the cool thing about that is that it will transcribe on my phone on the app. So, and the last way that I can do this is also through on my neck as a lanyard. So they do have a bunch of different ways that you can use this Plaud device. And I love that. I love, 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 love that. Okay, the last thing I forgot to show you, because it's right here, it's the way to charge it. Check this out. It's absolutely brilliant. So you've got, yes, your classic USB-C to USB-C because you charge it with the USB-C. And the charger, let me grab it. I want to grab it. There you go. The charger is right here. So you only have to line it up with those little prongs. And I'm just going to take this off, just like so. I'm going to pop this out. And now, look at that. It even has like a grippy surface here. So if it's on a desk, it's not moving anywhere. And boom, look at that. Simple. So of course, if I were having a conversation at a desk, I could actually leave it on the desk like this and it'd be recording. But if I want to charge it, I plug in that USB-C right here, and boom, I am ready to go and charging. So they do provide you with that USB-C. You've got some manuals, all the QR codes to download, the proper apps and everything. Now, I can't show you for, privacy reasons. I can't show you the app directly on my phone, but what I can tell you, and that is the cool thing, is that it will connect to Bluetooth via Bluetooth to your phone. That a long press, and there's no buttons. It's literally a touch recognition. There's no button here. You literally press once. You will feel a haptic kind of like vibration to tell you, yes, I've gotten your tap. I'm going to do it again. So yeah, tap. That little red, I'm going to try and show you. I hope you guys can see that little red button right there. That is recording right now. If I tap again, now it's waiting to get charged. It stopped recording. Now, what does that mean? That means that it keeps the recordings right on this device. And then when it's ready, it will send it via Bluetooth to your phone. Now, with the Plaud app, what is the magic? It's got AI enabled. And what is really, really cool is that you can say to the app, to the Plaud app, give me a full transcription of everything. It will recognize who is talking. So I could literally say, this is my voice. So I would say Seb. And then maybe my wife Michelle's in the conversation. I would say, well, whenever that person speaks, that's Michelle. So it will transcribe like that. Michelle, Seb, maybe someone else. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that, the whole thing. Then I can even ask the app, give me a summary of the meeting. Give me a summary of the whole conversation. Maybe you can ask the AI questions about the conversation and it will answer based on the information there. So it's literally ChatGPT, OpenAI within Plaud, the Plaud app, and within the Plaud device, which I think is really cool. I'm absolutely amazed with this technology, first and foremost. But I'm absolutely amazed even more with how sleek this Plaud makes their stuff. From the Note, the original Note that I got, last year, to now this beautiful Notepin that is so versatile, so easy to use, and it is seamless. And that's the cool thing about it. And everything that you see in this bundle comes in this Notepin bundle by Plaud. I absolutely love it. I think it is, and the recording, by the way, I know I can't show you the recording right now, but I've tried it in just this afternoon. The recording is crisp, it's nice, it's precise, and the OpenAI transcription is perfect, even if you're mumbling. I'm impressed.